Welcome back. Today we're going to start working on taking the porch apart on the front and rebuilding the porch. I've since decided against doing the gable because, it's going to be too much work, and it's not going to really add any value to it. So we're going to go ahead and do a flat roof on this. So what we're going to do is we're going to start right about here where this roof edges are now, and we're going to run it down to where it's at now on the other end. We're going to pull this old decking up so we can raise up the floor to the bottom of the door. What I want to do is I want to bring it up to just under this piece of siding under the door, so it'll be about a 2.5 inch drop. That way it won't be such a big step going in and out of the house. There you go. As you can see, we got the deck leveled coming off the side of the house. All right, and the porch decking is done. We raised it up 8 inches and cut it back from 11 feet to 8 feet. We recycled the old boards, and then I had some 1x8 pressure treated here already, and I went ahead and used that, and we filled in with just made a pattern. We got a 1x8 and two 1x6s, 1x8, two 1x6s, and went ahead and filled it in. So we got about a 3-inch drop going into our door, and got everything cut out. We come out here and we wrapped everything in 1x8 along the bottom to kind of dress it up, and hopefully shortly we'll get the roof taken care of. Alright, you can see what kind of mess we have to deal with on top of the roof. Got weeds growing, caved through, but we're going to pull all this off so we can lab it out and get ready for tin. Alright, so as you can see, we got our new rafters installed, and over here we've recycled our posts and put our 2x6 beam in. We cut it back so that it sets on the post, so it's got a good bearing, and we got our new rafters in, like I said, and now we're ready to start getting the old roof cleaned up and ready to reinstall. Alright, we're getting started on the window and door trim. We're going to use 1x6 wherever we can, and 1x4 where 1x6 won't fit. Alright, so this is what the front of the house looks like now that we've got the porch reframed, got the windows installed, trim on. The only thing lacking now is some metal for the roof. The outside is coming together pretty good. The outside, aside from the roof, is probably 99% complete. As we got the trim up, we had some rotten wood here. We went ahead and removed it, cleaned it up, finished up this edge. Got everything in here now. Looks real sharp. Get some paint on it, it's going to look really good. Notice we got the back. Got our windows all trimmed out. Just a simple trim. We didn't want to spend a bunch of effort trying to do perfection. Sometimes you just have to do good enough to make it look good. And you put some paint on this and it'll look really good. We've still got to come back and fix this overhang here, and the same on the other side, and then hopefully we'll get some metal roof on here this week, or we'll get it ordered anyway. But I'm real satisfied with the results this weekend. Spent a lot of time outside, and that looks pretty good. And see, got all this closed in. Still have to do this overhang here, but that's all right. Got everything said. I got everything trimmed out. We're going to put a deck, small deck coming off this door out of the kitchen, and got that closed off up there. We'll have to caulk it yet, but it looks really good. Well, when we were doing this porch, we found a bird nest up in the valley, so we pulled the bird nest out. Had 2 chicks and an egg. We relocated it into this makeshift location. Made sure the mama bird was able to find her chicks. She came back, and we were here the other day and they were both here, and one of them actually flew the nest. It's kind of nice to see.